how to use Klarna UK. So in this video, I will show you how to do that. Just follow a few easy steps. Now let's get started. Now first of all, download the Klarna app. So if you don't have the app, download Klarna from the App Store or Google Play if you use the Android. After that, sign up or login. So open the app and sign up or log into your Klarna account. You will need to provide basic details like your name, email, and payment information. After that, shop at partner store. So Klarna works with many UK stores online and in-store. Browse through the Klarna app or shop directly on the store's website. After that, select Klarna at the checkout. So when you are ready to buy, choose Klarna as your payment option at checkout. You can choose to pay in full or use Klarna's flexible payment plans. Now you can choose your payment plans. Klarna offers two main payment options in the UK. You have the option of pay later, it's up to 30 days, and you have the option of pay in 3 to 4 installments, it's spread over time. So now you can confirm your purchase. So Klarna will show your payment details and the plan you selected. Now you can confirm the payment and Klarna will process the order for you. So this is how to use Klarna UK. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.